In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own AI doll action figure with ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have a collectible style image of yourself packaged like an action figure, ready to share or print. First, prepare your assets by taking a clear selfie or portrait photo. Good lighting matters most. Face a window or use soft, even light to avoid harsh shadows. Keep the background simple and uncluttered, and frame your head and shoulders so your facial features are easy to read. Avoid heavy filters, sunglasses, or hats that obscure your face, and keep still to prevent motion blur. Wear the outfit you'd like your figure to reflect, since the model often pulls colors and textures from your photo. Next, log into ChatGPT and open a fresh conversation so your instructions are all in one place. Make sure you're signed in on a stable connection, since you'll be uploading an image and waiting for the generated result. Now upload your picture using the paperclip or photo icon in the chat. Choose the highest resolution version of your portrait available and wait for it to finish attaching before you send your message. A single strong image usually works better than several average ones. After the upload, use a detailed prompt to steer the style. You can say, "Create a 3D action figure of me based on this photo, displayed in clear plastic blister packaging like a collectible toy." Then add specifics that matter to you, such as clothing colors, hairstyle details, a neutral or studio background, a straight on camera angle, or a mood like cheerful or heroic. Clear, concrete language produces more accurate results than general adjectives. If the first result isn't perfect, refine it. Ask for targeted changes, one or two at a time. You might request a different pose, a brighter background, a new packaging color, a cleaner face sculpt, or more realistic plastic textures. You can also nudge lighting and camera angle, try studio lighting, rim light, or a slightly higher viewpoint. If a detail looks off, point it out directly and restate your preference. Iterate until the figure and packaging feel cohesive and true to your photo. When you're happy, download the final image to your device. Save at full resolution to preserve crisp edges and small details on the blister pack. A PNG or high quality JPG works well for sharing. Store a copy in a clearly labeled folder so you can revisit it later or compare variations. That's it. Your AI doll action figure is complete. Enjoy experimenting with different outfits, colors, and expressions using the same process.